Website creation doesn't have to be complicated. AI has the power to build your dreams. And we've found the way. All of the sites you're seeing now are built by AI in TeleportHQ. No templates, no limits, just fast, flexible, professional websites. AI does the hard work while you stay in control. This is the new AI Builder by TeleportHQ. Start by describing what you want to create or give AI an inspiration source. Choose the industry that fits best, a style and theme for the website. Then choose a color palette, typography, and pages, instantly shaping a consistent design system that keeps your entire site on brand from the start. Now, watch the magic unfold as your project is built in real time. Sophisticated design systems, complex layout structures, animations, and more, all created before your eyes. Expanding your site is easy. Simply type a new prompt, and the AI creates fully designed pages that match your style, your branding, and your goals, all possible with the power of the new AI Builder. Create entire new sections in seconds. Image galleries, slideshows, contact forms, pricing tables. AI builds and integrates them into your site. Inside the editor, the new AI assistant takes the entire experience to a whole new level. Reshaping layouts, switching styles, rewriting text, swapping images, even adding scripts and effects. Big edits happen instantly, no technical hassle. And when you need that final touch, you're in full control. The visual editor lets you fine-tune every detail exactly the way you want it. From start to finish, every part of the process flows together, giving you more space to focus on what matters most: your business. Fast website creation, unique results, flexibility, and scalability. This is website creation reimagined. This is the new TeleportHQ AI Builder.